Everyone says Etsy is too crowded to make sales, but I found a trick to easily find this best-selling digital product that's quietly selling thousands of sales right now. And in this video, I'll walk you through step by step on how to do this and how you can recreate it instantly with free AI tools. Now, let's be honest, if you've ever thought about selling on Etsy, the first thing you probably hear is, it's oversaturated. Well, that's entirely not true. Oversaturation doesn't mean you can't sell. What it really means is that a lot of people are selling the same type of product that looks identical, which makes it difficult to stand out. So how do you stand out? You spot a product that's already proven to sell in your niche by focusing on the ones with best-selling tag, and you could easily see all of those by filtering the search result with star seller and going to the URL of this page to change star to best. That way, you will quickly see the best-selling products you can use as inspiration to create your own. But instead of copying directly, you recreate it with a twist. For example, instead of focusing on just one design style, you could apply different popular styles to that same design to attract a wider range of customers, or even offer it as both a digital and physical product. By using the trick to find bestseller, I was able to find this wall art design, which is called Fall Animal Print, and according to the reviews, it has been selling steadily for months. Now, here's where most sellers stop. They just sell it only as a digital download. But the truth is, the same design can be sold for higher profit as a physical product, and the best part is, you only create it once, and a print-on-demand platform handles everything for you. And that's where Gelato comes in. Gelato is a print-on-demand platform that lets you take your digital file and instantly turn it into wall art, posters, or any other popular white label product. With Gelato, you don't need inventory or shipping. Gelato handles it all. It integrates seamlessly with platforms like Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, and even TikTok Shop. Once your store is connected, your products automatically sync, making the setup quick and stress-free. What I personally love about Gelato is their global production network. 140 print partners in 32 countries, which means your orders get produced closer to your customers. This not only results in faster and more affordable shipping, but it also reduces carbon emissions thanks to shorter delivery distances, a huge win for sustainability. In fact, I have a customer that received their frame print just 2 days after ordering, something that would have taken over a week with most platforms. Moments like that made me realize how much Gelato simplifies and speeds up the entire process while staying environmentally responsible. Gelato also has a powerful feature called Personalization Studio, which allows Etsy sellers to easily offer personalized products like wall art, apparel, and drinkware without the manual work. Let your customers add names, messages, or even upload photos, while Gelato automatically converts their input into production-ready designs. It's the easiest way to scale your custom product business and boost customer satisfaction. Whether you're just starting out or growing an existing store, Gelato gives you everything you need to launch and scale a sustainable, efficient print-on-demand business. Don't forget, you can join for free today and get 50% off your first order. It's an easy way to test the platform and start building your brand. But this offer won't last forever, so make sure to grab it while it's still available. Click the link in the description and get started today. Now, in order to create this design with AI, I will be using Kittl AI. Here I will be testing it out with the ChatGPT model and Nano Banana. But before that, we need a prompt. And this is how I structured my prompt in a simple format. In an oil painting style, a graceful deer standing in a misty autumn meadow with golden grass. After creating a new portrait size in Kittl, I selected the ChatGPT AI model and pasted my prompt. Then I set my aspect ratio and clicked generate. This is the result I got. After that, I went back and changed the AI model to Nano Banana to see what result we would get, and this is the output I received. I also realized that with Nano Banana, you cannot change the aspect ratio, but this is just one prompt. How about having more prompts to sell more of this design? That's why I created a list of proven prompts. With these prompts, you can skip the guesswork and jump straight to designs that are market ready. Once you have your design from Kittl, the final step is making it print ready for Gelato. But always remember to use a platform like Less Enhanced to upscale your image to a higher resolution. Once you're done, connect your Etsy store for seamless integration. select Etsy, and Etsy will ask you to confirm the connection. Click Grant Access and your store will now be connected. Next, click on Add Product and choose Single Product since we'll be uploading just one design for now. From the product catalog, select Poster under Wall Art and choose Fine Art Poster to begin designing. Import your design and fit it into the frame. On the left side, you can also select multiple sizes by clicking on Size. If you're unsure which sizes to use, check what your competitors are offering. Once you're done, click Continue to Mockups. Gelato offers default mockups you can choose from, but you can upload even better ones yourself or use Gelato's AI mockups. For example, I gave it a simple prompt and it generated this clean, professional-looking mockup for my wall art design. After that, Gelato will auto-fill your product title and description, but you can improve this using Gelato's built-in AI model. Just enter a brief description of your product and Gelato will analyze top-ranking listings in your niche to create the most optimized title, description, and tags. With a feature like this activated, your product has a much higher chance of being seen faster. Finally, you'll see the base cost for each size and your projected profit, and you can adjust the prices accordingly. Once everything looks good, review your product to ensure there are no mistakes and click Publish. Your product will now appear automatically in your Etsy store. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.